So here's Cleaner Guru app, cleaning app. How to add widgets with this app. So just open it up, and then you can see that there are quite handy widgets here where you can just see your battery charged, your available storage, especially like, you know, with available storage, where you can just go to the app and then just open it up and analyze storage. And you just want to know, you know, what's taking up your storage and all of that. It's quite handy. So just tap plus, and then, you know, find this app, Cleaner Guru, and then you can see different types of widgets. You can, for example, just add this horizontal widget, and then there you have it. So then you will see just instantly how much storage you have. And it's quite handy, especially if you have smaller storage on phones. You can just have this enabled, and that's what it is. Then you will just see how it looks like, how much storage you have free, how much you have used, and then that's what it is. And that's you know, and then if you want to clean your storage, just go to the app and then you can just use it. However, probably you just need to upgrade to have these advanced cleaning things, or you can buy a lifetime subscription for $50. Give it a try.